The package contents should include the items shown here. You will need the tools shown here when performing the following steps. First, remove the plastic casing. Insert the SIM card as shown. Replace the plastic casing in its original position and reinsert the screws. First, secure the M-type bracket to the back of the router. Attach the washers, spring washers, and nuts to the bolts. Use a wrench to tighten the nuts. Attach the washers and spring washers to the bolts. And attach the rotating bracket to the main frame using the short hex bolts. Do not over-tighten the bolts as you will need to adjust the mounting angle in the final step. First, thread the Ethernet cable through the cable gland. Insert the cable into the Ethernet LAN port. Tighten the cable gland to the router. Insert the other end of the Ethernet cable into a port on a Power over Ethernet injector marked PoE or out. Connect the injector into an electrical outlet. Download the Zyxel mobile app. Use the mobile app to check for the best signal location. The router can be mounted on either a vertical pole or a horizontal pole. It can also be mounted on a wall. Step 1. Mounting the router on a vertical pole. Insert the U-bolt into the holes on the main frame. Using a wrench, secure the main frame to the pole with the washers, spring washers, and nuts. Connect the bracket to the main frame using the hex bolt, and secure it using the washers, spring washers, and nuts. Adjust the angle for the router to face the base station. Tighten the nuts. This concludes the vertical pole mounting installation. Step 2. Mounting the router on a horizontal pole. Rotate the main frame to set it in a horizontal position. This concludes the horizontal pole mounting installation. Step 3. Mounting the router on a wall. Place the bracket on the wall. Mark the position of the holes. Drill 4 holes. Insert the nylon wall plugs into the holes. Use tap-in screws to fasten the main frame to the wall. Attach the pre-assembled bracket to the M-type bracket using the hex bolt, washers, spring washers, and nuts. Adjust the angle of the router to face the base station. This concludes the wall mounting installation. Insert the Ethernet cable into the WAN port of the indoor router. Insert the other end of the cable into the LAN-in port of the Power over Ethernet injector. If your router is equipped with a ground cable, connect the ground cable to the router. The installation is complete. Enjoy your smooth and high-speed internet connection with Zyxel.
Zyxel